This is the Haribo shop in Pontefract. Here's a quick preview. Get shoved that in. I got a pick and mix. This is the best day in my life, thanks Dad. I got a bottle and an advent calendar. Showed you around the shop and sat in the truck at the factory. Why do you have the toys?
Because I'm like a big kid, I've even got a Spider-Man pillar.
Stay tuned and watch the full video. Kids and grown-ups love it so, the happy world of Haribo. There's millions of different sweets you can choose from. I got a pick and mix. I show you around the shop when I get my pick and mix. Let's get some of these marshmallows. Oh, got it. Oh, I love the Coke ones.
Oh, yeah.
I'll get some of the Coke ones. Then yum. They're so yummy. I love this day. It's the best day in my life. Oh, some big ones. This one's expensive than ones. I want of these. Get shoved that in. Oh. This is the best day in my life. Got one.
Right, we're going to get some sweets for Halloween.
No, I want some.
I'm going to get a bag. Get a bag that's not worth doing them ones. The best of them. Yeah.
Got two.
Yeah.
This is the best day in my life, thanks Dad.
See you soon. Bye. Bye. Right, what we get? What?
Gonna get some sour sweets. They're big, can't even get one. I can't wait to eat them all. It's the best day of my life. We can get one of these. Haribo Teddy. Yeah, I love them.
Try one of them. So what do you want then? Love arts?
Jelly beans.
Yeah. Not bad.
I'll take this one away because it squished that one. I'll get this one.
Stripes.
Now I need to go pay for my pick and mix.
Is that the only Haribo factory in country, that is it?
No, there's
A few in countries, though.
yeah, we've got a few factories up and down. Yeah, Ray, is Pontefract and Castleford only two in UK?
Yeah.
Well, there's two around here, is there?
Yeah, there's one just on M60.
Yeah, I've seen that. Where's the other one?
Just behind us.
Oh, is it? What, needs to go all over the world then, from them two factories? Or is it factories like in America and stuff as well, is there?
Yeah, so there's other factories in other countries.
Yeah.
I got one of these bottles as well.
Oh, do you want a blue one?
Yellow.
Yellow? We'll take that as well then.
Thank you.
But you need to pay. No, take the 5. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cheers. Get one then.
Now I wanted an advent calendar.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have you got any small bags and rhubarb things?
Yeah.
On
The
there?
splats now.
The what?
Rhubarb splats.
Them little straw, tiny straw.
They just come in a tub at £4.95.
Oh, too much, so I'll end up too fair. There's any tours at factories or anything, is there not?
No, unfortunately it's not something we do. Thank you.
Was it joined onto this, is it?
Yeah.
Is it? Can you see it?
You can from, if you like from
Yeah.
the front, yeah. Yeah, it's been here years. It used to be called Dunells. We're a sweet factory and then Haribo took over.
Oh, did they?
So we do just produce only Haribo. We've got like a shoe in back, like a big slide, and we send stock from the factory down into our back, yeah.
That's
Truly
it?
old fashioned. You're not allowed it back, unfortunately.
Right.
Just for health and safety
Right.
reasons.
Can't you show us on if I give you a camera?
I can't, sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Sorry.
Alright, see you later.
Now we walked around to the factory. And a man let me sit in his lorry.
Back to that. You know, with the steering wheel and that bar. So good.
Why do you have the toys?
Because I'm like a big kid, I've even got a Spider-Man pillow. If I have a little lay down. I don't sleep in truck though.
Don't think I've ever been in a lorry before like this.
Yeah. They've ain't got wing mirrors these either, they've got cameras.
Yeah, go in.
Cameras for mirrors.
Oh wow.
You just above your head here.
Well, you got one is that behind you at the bottom?
Yeah, that one's up.
Look at
The camera's up there, so that's me near side and that's me off side.
Look in the camera. I want to see if we can see you.
Let me see if you can see me. Hold
Yeah.
on, let's put it on the camera.
Oh.
There, look. Somebody.
See me?
Yeah.
How long have you been doing this then?
Yeah, been driving 17 years. I'm class 1 17 years. I worked for these for about 6 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's alright, steady away. Started at 3 o'clock this morning. Been had some deliveries, you know what I mean? Aldi at Chester. Bugger off, I'll be back. Yeah, had an Aldi depot at Chester, then to Iceland depot at Warrington. And I've had this little place I'd never been to it before, middle of nowhere, up in outskirts of Liverpool somewhere.
Yeah.
And then we always ring up when we're on our way back empty, and then sometimes we get sent in here. We have drivers that do this all like day and night, every day, just coming up and down from here all day. Like.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Me or this one.
Do you like the job? Is it good?
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, they're good to work for these.
I'd always be scared like turning a sharp left and stuff in the long lorry.
Well, this with these bloody traffic lights down here, it's the first time I've been up while they've had these on. Makes it a bit awkward.
Do you like it, Logan?
Yeah.
Do you want to drive lorries when you're older?
Yeah. I would like to have one of these because we can have a caravan because there's sleeping there. And when my dad drives it, I can have a little nap.
Have a little sleep.
Yeah, because when I sleep in the car, I just go like this.
It's not comfy, is it?
Is that your young lad on there, is it?
Little lass.
Lass?
Yeah, she's 6.
6? Same,
She's 6 now, she was only about 2, yeah.
same age as him.
She just had some school photos.
Tell me about your YouTube channel, Logan.
Oh, yeah, look. It's my daughter. Indy B.
Indy?
Indy.
Is that short for anything?
No, just Indy.
Check out his YouTube channel.
Logan Travel. Let's have a look. Yeah, put it in my YouTube. I'll let Cindy likes YouTube.
We went to Halifax to the, what's it called? Wayne House Tower. I don't know if you know about it. Like a massive chimney thing. I don't know.
Travel, is it?
Yeah, Logan Travel.
Logan Travel.
That's
Is
in
that
there.
you?
Yeah.
Press that red button, that subscribe button.
No, that one.
That.
Oh, subscribe.
Oh, you're not signed in. It's alright.
Also, it'll come back up on me.
Just do like vlogs everywhere we're going stuff.
Oh yeah. That's sound.
Why does that flash them two?
It's that little blue line.
Yeah.
That's when I connect up to the trailer. That is where the bottom of the trailer is, where the floor is at the bottom of the trailer. It'll stop flashing. Once I hook up, it'll stop flashing. But you can move it. So have different trailers have different heights.
What, you going soon, are you?
Yeah, I'll just wait for, because these finish at 2 o'clock. The shift change, so all their staff comes out. That's what that bit of traffic were just then. So better off just waiting for them to get off. Yeah, I'm literally just gonna pick that up and then get off.
Was that just a trailer there? Like,
Yeah.
Put it hooking it up to this one.
Yeah, just gotta hook up to that and.
Was this your own? Is it? Does it always stay like this for you? Does it? Or does anyone else use?
They do go out on nights sometimes.
Yeah.
We've got about 30 odd drivers on days, but I think there's only about 15 or 18 on nights.
Yeah.
It's just pop up every yours goes out. But because I start so early, they tend not to send it out so much. But yeah, we do keep us on. So.
Why does it have the numbers on there?
Numbers on?
They're like tables.
You mean the letters on the green?
Oh, the letters down there. It's fire assembly point.
If there's a fire in the building, everybody has to go down there.
So they have different, so you've got your office staff, your warehouse, your transport, blah, blah, so each one will be like, transport will be A, warehouse will be B, so they all just go and stand on their own little bit and you can count them, I'm sure everyone's there. I think that's how it works, I'm not 100% sure.
Right, are we getting down then?
Oh yeah?
You need to turn round.
Yeah, down backwards.
That's it.
Got one this side as well, if you can reach it.
One more, 2 more steps. I'll put your hand on there.
What?
One more step.
Oh, they're high, aren't they?
Yeah.
I have to go up and down these 20,000 times a day.
Oh, what did you say to that man?
Thank you.
Alright, no problem.
Right, cheers, pal.
No worries, mate.
See you later.
See you later.
You like that?
Yeah. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button.